So hello guys, this is your friend Agniva. Welcome to my channel Not Yet Decided. So we are heading towards Howrah station, Howrah railway station. So we will board a train to Chennai from there. So which is at 11:55 p.m. So let's enjoy the journey, and I will also show some food tours or food vlogs and travel vlogs in this Chennai tour. So let's get into it, and let's see the journey, how it will be. Come on.
Shouldn't say this, I probably should erase it. I probably shouldn't say this. I wanna be with you, if that's the last thing that I could do. I wanna be with you, if that's the last thing that I could do. Call me a fan, I'm living, give me your hand, I'm in it, yeah. I wanna be with you, if that's the last thing that I could do. Sometimes I get nervous, but too good to believe. I don't know how it happened, but baby, I'm ecstatic that you're sticking with me. I'm away.
So guys, we have reached the Howrah station. So it is behind me, you can see, and just look at the view outside the Howrah station. This is the Howrah station, you can see, looking nice, and on that side the Ganga river is there. So today is Sunday, so there is not much public over here. So hey guys, good morning. So we boarded the train yesterday night, and we slept. So yesterday I couldn't show you any video inside the train. So here I am now. So in the next morning, and we had breakfast, aloo paratha and chutney and achar. So now we are crossing the station of Srikakulam Road. So we have crossed it, and now we are heading towards Visakhapatnam. So we have ordered lunch from the IRCTC Food on Track app. So we have pantry car in the train, but we have ordered one plate of egg meal from pantry car and two thalis from the Food on Track app, which will be delivered to us from the Visakhapatnam station. So we will compare the food and we'll give you the review, like how the food was in pantry car and how the food is which is delivered from the Visakhapatnam station by booking through the online Food on Track app. So till that time, let's see the journey, and let's watch and enjoy the journey. guys, so I don't know whether you are able to hear the voice of mine or not, because there is a lot of noise here. So I'll just give you a look and overview of the train. The train actually is pretty clean, and the washrooms are also pretty clean. So I'll just give you a look of the train, like what it looks like after the post-COVID situation. So this is the Howrah Madras special train, which leaves at 11:55 p.m. from Howrah at night, and reaches like after 27 hours to Madras, like about 3:50 a.m. or 3:30 a.m. like that in Chennai. So I'll give you a look of the train also. So guys, you can see there is a compartment. So this is the compartment HA1. So it is pretty clean over here. The seats are pretty clean, and this is the coupe compartment. So these are the coupes actually. So these are pretty clean. The washrooms also are pretty clean. Have a look. It's pretty clean over here. The commodes are also well cleaned, and the washrooms are pretty much big. So yeah guys, actually this train is pretty well maintained. I saw like the seats are pretty clean, and the washrooms are also good. So you can but one thing to mention here, that in the AC 3 tire or 2 tire, before they used to provide the pillows, the sheets, bed sheets, and all the kumbals and all. So, but now they are not providing the blankets and bed sheets or the pillows, because due to the COVID situation, we understand one like used pillow or used sheet they cannot give. So if you are like me, if you are not used to the cold, then please carry an extra like 2 extra bed sheets with you, like for covering you, and another is for like putting onto the seat. So please carry these things with you, because they are not providing right now, as of now, due to the post COVID situations, they are not providing the blanket, sheet or pillows. So this thing you should keep in mind while traveling in train right now. Okay, so let's get on to the journey. Hello guys, so unfortunately due to some circumstances in the afternoon, we were not able to give you the review of the lunch which we had. So here I am now with my dinner, which is ordered from the IRCTC Food on Track app. So it is delivered to me on in Vijayawada at 8 o'clock, Vijayawada station. So I have ordered 2 items. One is the veg fried rice and another is the chana masala. So let's have a look and let's give you a review of how it tastes, and I will also let you know the cost of the food. So let's go. So guys, here is the food. There is my dinner. This is the chana masala. This is the veg fried rice. It is looking very nice. This is the roti that we have ordered on lunch. So I will eat this with chana masala and onion. So let's give you a review of the food. So guys, I'm trying roti with chana masala. So this looks like this. It is quite good. Let's have a bite once more. Yeah, it is good. The gravy of the chana masala consists of red chili powder, coriander powder, and decent amount of salt. And in this journey wise, this food tastes really nice. So let's try with the veg fried rice. আমি এই চামচটা দিয়ে খাচ্ছি।
তুমি ভাত নিলে এই যে ভাত আমি আর নেব না।
So first I will try the veg fried rice by itself only without the chana masala. It's quite good actually. Not much oily, not much spicy, mild. Like from kid to adult, anybody can eat this easily. Consists of vegetables like carrot, onions, beans, and not much oily as well. It is kind of less oily and dry, and tastes very good. Also with the chana masala I will try. Really nice, even better with the chana masala. So if you order food, please order food through online IRCTC food track app. They serves good decent quality of food. In my view, it is better than the pantry car food that they provide in the train. And also what I think that the railway must look after the food quality of the pantry car food that they provide, because even if I am spending rupees 130 in per meal, they are providing one dal, one egg curry, one rice and 2 rotis. Okay, but the quality should be decent, the quality should be good, because the passengers are spending so much of money, and they are trying to have a food according to their necessity. So therefore the railway must look after this food quality, which is now not good as per my view. So so that thing need to be addressed. So I request the railway system to look after their food and to improve the quality of their food what they provide in the trains. So that's it. That's it for today. So I am leaving now, taking a leave from you. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your family and friends, and please subscribe my channel for the latest video updates, and stay tuned with Not Yet Decided. Bye. Shubh Ratri.